everyone. Ahead of a voyage, passengers on a ship look to the crew and captain for a safe yet exciting trip. Similarly, when battle lines are drawn, soldiers repose trust and faith in their generals to guide and guard them. In much the same way, perhaps, students of a school look up to their student council to lead them through an eventful, joyful, and meaningful year, filled with activities and experiences that are memorable, remarkable, and enjoyable. This is the purpose of our coming together here today.
Yes, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this year's investiture ceremony, when the newly elected members assume their responsibilities and receive their badges of office. Of course, in the prevailing pandemic, we are holding it online, but we are not going to let that come in the way of our celebratory mood today. Let's make it a red letter day for every Vidyanian.
It's the start of a beautiful day. I hope you've said your prayer today. Let's beseech the Lord to show us the way and crown our efforts with success, if He may.
We wish Dame Fortune always smiles on our students and blesses them in all their endeavors, now and forever. Let us invoke divine blessings for this in our short prayer.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता
या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना
या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवै सदा वन्दिता
सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषझाड्यापहा निशेषझाड्यापहा निशेषझाड्यापहा।
अर्थात, हे देवी, हमारे जीवन से अंधकार को दूर कर हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे एवं हमारी रक्षा करें।
हो यही गुंजन सा मन में होठों पर तराना, हो यही गुंजन सा मन में होठों पर तराना। सत्य सुंदर जीवन पथ पर तू हमें ले जाना। सत्य सुंदर जीवन पथ पर तू हमें ले जाना।
Meet God, your Guru. Let Him tell you what to do. Listen, His calling clear and true. Take time to listen. Take courage to obey. The inner voice is calling, calling you. The inner voice is calling, calling you.
सद्बुद्धि को निकट रखना, दुर्बुद्धि को दूर। ना करे वो काब कभी जो तुम्हें न हो मंजूर। मोह माया के जंजाल में, मोह माया के जंजाल में हमें न उलझाना। सत्य सुंदर जीवन पथ पर तू हमें ले जाना।
There are voices all around me, my enemies and my friends. Do this, don't do that, the chorus never ends. But I shall always listen to the quiet inner voice. It's swift and definite, and I have made my choice.
हो यही गुंजन सा मन में, होठों पर तराना। सत्य सुंदर जीवन पथ पर तू हमें ले जाना। तू हमें ले जाना। तू हमें ले जाना।
The poet Tennyson hit the nail on the head with his words, "The old order changeth, yielding place to new." Yes, paradoxically, the only thing constant in life is change. Today, the outgoing council makes way for the new incumbents, who take on a very solemn responsibility indeed. Among other things, to be role models for all students, to be approachable, to coordinate activities, and to be committed and conscientious carriers of the Vidyani tradition.
Every care was taken to ensure a smooth and unbiased formation of this council. We are proud to present a team that is capable, confident, and raring to go.
A flashback is more than moments of nostalgia. It is a record of the hard work, dedication, and devotion, not to forget the energy and enthusiasm of the individuals concerned. Despite the shadow of the crisis that loomed large last year, they left no stone unturned to ensure that the Vidyanian calendar was dotted with opportunities for everyone. Let's go down that road again with ex-president of the Student Council, Dhun Navle. Over to you, Dhun.
Joyous greetings to our respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear Vidyanians. In a relay, when you pass on the baton to someone, there is no sense of unfinished business. There is only a sense of having done your part to the best of your ability. That is it. The hope is to pass on the baton to someone who will maintain the lead, will run a better and faster marathon. On this momentous occasion, I would like to steal a minute of yours to express gratitude on behalf of my team. Firstly, to our chieftain, to our principal, Dr. Archana Mishra. Ma'am, we cannot thank you enough for giving us this opportunity to represent and lead our school even via an online platform. Thank you for believing in us and our vision, and for always encouraging us to push the envelope with every single endeavor. Next, to our wonderful coordinators and teachers, thank you for guiding us at every juncture. Then to our dear parents and student body, thank you for being our constant motivators and support system. And finally, to our teachers in charge of council, Vinaya ma'am and Niharika ma'am, thank you for giving us the necessary boost of confidence every single time, for letting us shine in our moments of success, and for having our backs whenever we need it. I, for one, couldn't have been prouder of the quality of work this team has delivered. Even with the network limitations, each one of us has striven to achieve all our targets with nothing but the most sincere efforts, best ones at that, and with unique creative problem solutions. Be it brainstorming for various activity clubs, weaving together the mega event Vidyani Vibes, contributing back to the society through various EFC projects and celebrating various events to ensure Vidyani is brought closer home, this virtual year has seen it all. And for all of it and much more, I congratulate Council 2020-21. Forgive me if I'm tempted to say kudos to us. In conclusion, dear Council 2021-22, as we hand over the charge to you, we wish you honor the trust invested by Vidyani in you. At every single step you take, please remember that this sash and badge that you proudly wear carries trust and faith of hundreds of teachers, parents and students who stand by you. The only way to do this job right is to stay true to the post you hold and to respond and take initiation whenever need be. And by whenever, I mean whenever. Good luck for the year ahead. And finally, before I sign off as ex-president of Council 2020, I would like to thank Vidyani once again for giving this team a place in the sun. Thank you.
A king is more than his throne. A queen is more than her crown. Yet, symbols add glory to position and help to elevate status. In our tipping ceremony now, our new council members will receive badges and sashes, indicating their newly won status. I am sure that while these will be worn with pride, they will also be a reminder to their responsibilities they have to fulfill.
We begin with head girl Dhwani Kaire, head boy Dhruv Desai, sports captains Kashish Surana and Rushil Shah, and cultural president Aman Desai. Next in line are the following: Vice Head Girl Jania Shah, Vice Head Boy Pratham Rawal, Vice Sports Captains Vishwa Shah and Parth Modi, Junior Sports Captains Trisha Desai and Arnav Lalwani. Next, I invite the following students to take charge. Head Student Welfare Grishma Chaudhary, Head Innovation Vedant Nayak, Head Event Management Drashti Rajput, Head Social Outreach Yana Savani, Head Cultural Affairs Manas Afle and Khushi Shah, Head IT Shubham Singh.
And now, continuing with the pipping ceremony, I call upon Parva Patel, Secretary IT, Manan Patel, Secretary Event Management, Noor Mohammad, Secretary Cultural Affairs, Shivala Patel, Secretary Cultural Affairs, to take charge. I now call upon Rifat Fatima Qureshi, Junior Secretary Cultural Affairs, Nirva Malik, Junior Secretary Event Management, I now call upon the prefects of the 4 houses for the pipping ceremony. beginning with the prefects and junior prefects of Vigorous House, Priyal Shah, Henil Brahmbhatt, Jayavardhan Israni and Molly Shah. Next, the prefects and junior prefects of Versatile House, Prerit Patel, Mahi Mehta, Harshvi Zinzuwadia, Dharma Barot. Now I call upon the prefects and the junior prefects of the Vibrant House, Prisha Desai, Poojan Tank, Vandan Thakkar, Abhishri Raj. And finally, now I call upon the prefects and the junior prefects of the Virtuous House, Geetansh Shah, Prayushi Patel, Dhriti Patel, Moiz Lakkadwala. Congratulations to our new office bearers. Good luck to you in the year ahead.
A badge of office is not a mere decoration. It's a definite affirmation and a confirmation of loyalty, sincerity, and integrity. In short, it's a pledge that the bearer will give his or her 100% to the post. Our council is now ready to take the oath of office. For that, I invite the first set of students: head girl, head boy, cultural president, head student welfare, and head innovation. And to administer the oath to this set of students, I call upon our principal, Dr. Archana Mishra.
I, Dhwani Kare, head girl.
Dhruv Desai, head boy.
Grishma Chaudhary, head student welfare.
Vedant Nayak, head innovation.
Aman Desai, cultural president.
Do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute this office
That I will faithfully execute this office
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
for the honor and glory of my school.
for the honor and glory of my school.
I will respect and abide by the rules and regulations
I will respect and abide by the rules and regulations
to uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school.
and uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school.
I will endeavor to be a positive role model.
I will endeavor to be a positive role model.
I will actively participate in all school activities
I will actively participate in all school activities
and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to it.
and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to it.
I vow that I will do my best to maintain discipline
I vow that I will do my best to
maintain
maintain discipline
and carry out all the duties entrusted to me
carry out all the duties entrusted to me
with honesty and enthusiasm.
with honesty and enthusiasm.
Congratulations and all the best, children.
I now invite our academic coordinator, Ms. Sunni Srinivas, to administer the oath to the following set of students: Vice Head Girl, Vice Head Boy, Head Event Management, Head IT, Head Cultural Affairs, and Head Social Outreach.
Jania Shah, Vice Head Girl.
Pratham Rawal, vice head boy.
Drashti Rajput, Head Event Management.
Jana Savani, head social outreach.
Khushi Shah, Head Cultural Affairs.
Manas Afle, head cultural affairs.
Shubham Singh, head IT.
Do solemnly swear
Do solemnly swear
that I shall faithfully execute this office
That I shall faithfully execute this office
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
for the honor and glory of my school.
for the honor and glory of my school.
I pledge to take upon myself
I pledge to take upon myself
the duty of encouraging the youth of today,
the duty of encouraging the youth of today,
the concept of giving back to the society.
the concept of giving back to the society.
I shall try to foster the spirit of character education,
I shall try to foster character education,
values such as honesty and integrity,
values such as honesty and
honesty and
promote
integrity,
healthy choices
promote healthy choices
through my own example,
through my
an
own
example,
so that my fellow students
so that
my fellow students
become valuable assets to their communities.
become
become
valuable
valuable
assets
to their communities.
All the best, students.
I now invite the third set of students, that include the sports captains, the vice sports captains, and the junior sports captains. And to administer the oath to them, I call upon Section Coordinator Ms. Rinta Chaudhary.
I, Kashish Surana, sports captain.
I, Rushil Shah, sports captain.
Vishwa Shah, vice sports captain.
Parth Modi, vice sports captain.
Trisha Desai, junior sports captain.
Arna Lalwani, junior sports captain.
Promise to take part
Promise to take part
in all the sports events
in all sports events
as fair players,
as fair players,
respecting and abiding by the rules
respecting and abiding by
that govern the events
the governing events
in the true spirit of sportsmanship
in the true spirit of sportsmanship,
for the glory of sport.
for the glory of sport.
I shall put forth
I shall
my greatest effort
my greatest effort
to achieve the best result
to achieve the best
in the games
in the games
for the honor of my school, Vidyani.
for the honor of my sports Vidyani.
Thank you and heartiest congratulations to all of you.
It is now the turn of our activity coordinator, Ms. Otindriya Acharya, to administer the oath to the following set of students. I call upon Secretary Event Management, Secretary Cultural Affairs, Secretary IT, Junior Secretary Event Management, and Junior Secretary Cultural Affairs to come forward. I,
Shibara Patel, Secretary Cultural Affairs.
Noor Mohammed, Secretary Cultural Affairs.
Nusra Halim, Junior Secretary of Event Management.
Manan Patel, Secretary Event Management.
Rifat Fatima Qureshi, Junior Secretary Cultural Affairs.
Parva Patel, Secretary IT.
Pledge to take part in organizing all the cultural activities
Pledge to take part in organizing all the cultural activities
creatively and innovatively with zest and vigor,
creatively and innovatively with zest and vigor,
and uphold the true essence of our school's motto,
and uphold the true essence of our school's motto.
transforming potentiality into reality.
Transforming potentiality into reality.
I shall be conscientious in my academic work.
I shall be conscientious in my academic work.
I shall put forth my greatest efforts to achieve the best result
I shall put forth my greatest effort to achieve the best results
for the greater glory of my school, Vidyani.
for the greater glory of my school, Vidyani.
Congratulations, children, and all the best for the year ahead. I now call the prefects and the junior prefects of Vigorous House, and to administer the oath, I invite Ms. Surbhi Upadhyay, our IT coordinator. I,
Priyal Shah, Prefect Vigorous,
Henil Brahmbhatt, Prefect Vigorous.
Molly Shah, Junior Prefect Vigorous. Jayavardhan Israni, Junior Prefect Vigorous.
am grateful to be appointed to this prestigious and responsible post.
I am grateful to be appointed as prestigious and responsible post.
I pledge to our school, teachers, and my fellow students
I pledge to my school, teachers, and my fellow students
to follow the school rules and regulations,
to follow the school rules and regulations,
to obey all our teachers,
to obey all our teachers,
and to ensure that all students do the same.
and to ensure all students do the same.
To use my position
To use my position
only for the welfare of school, teachers, and students,
only for the welfare of school, teachers, and students,
to support and help each other
to support and help each other
in the performance of school duties,
in the performance of school duties,
to be present at all school functions,
to be present at all school functions,
and to ensure the smooth conduct of these.
and to ensure the smooth conduct of these.
Finally, I dedicate my efforts
Finally, I dedicate my efforts
towards upholding the sanctity and dignity of my school
towards upholding the sanctity and dignity of our school
and the house I represent here.
and the house I represent here.
All the best, dear students, and have an eventful year.
I call upon the prefects and junior prefects of Versatile House, and to administer the oath, I invite Ms. Namita Rajput, our section coordinator.
I, Mahi Mehta, Prefect Versatile.
Prerit Patel, Prefect Versatile.
Harshvi Jinjawada, Junior Prefect Versatile.
Dharma Bharat, Junior Prefect Versatile.
I am grateful to be appointed
I am grateful to be appointed
to this prestigious and responsible post.
To this
prestigious and responsible post.
I pledge to our school, teachers, and my fellow students
I
pledge to our school, teachers, and my fellow
to
students
follow the school rules and regulations,
to
follow the school rules and regulations,
to obey all our teachers,
to obey all our teachers,
and to ensure that all students do the same.
and to ensure that all students do the same.
To use my position
To use my position
only for the welfare of school, teachers and students.
Only for the welfare of school, teachers and students.
To support and help each other.
To support and help each other.
In the performance of school duties.
In the performance of school duties.
To be present at all school functions.
To be present at all school functions.
And to ensure the smooth conduct of these.
And to ensure the smooth conduct of these.
Finally, I dedicate my efforts. Towards upholding the sanctity and dignity of my school.
Towards upholding the sanctity and dignity of my school.
And the house I represent here. Congratulations, dear students. Hope you do very well in this tenure.
I call upon prefects and junior prefects of a Vibrant House, and to administer the oath, I invite Miss Falguni Harpale, our senior counselor.
I, Nisha Desai, Prefect Vibrant House.
Pujan Tar, Prefect Vibrant House.
Vardhan Thakur, Junior Prefect Vibrant House.
am grateful to be appointed to this prestigious and responsible post. I pledge to our school, teachers, and my fellow students to follow the school rules and regulations, to obey all our teachers, and to ensure that all students do the same. To use my position only for the welfare of school, teachers and students. To support and help each other in the performance of school duties. To be present at all school functions. And to ensure the smooth conduct of these. Finally, I dedicate my efforts towards upholding the sanctity and dignity of my school. And the house I represent here. Congratulations, students, and all the very best to take up all the new responsibilities.
I call upon the prefects and the junior prefects of Virtuous House, and to administer the oath, I invite Miss Chaya Jaiswal, our section coordinator.
I,
Ravishi Patel, Prefect Virtuous House.
Gitan Shah, Prefect Virtuous House.
Preeti Patel, Junior Prefect Virtuous House. Moish Lakrawala, Junior Prefect Virtuous House.
am grateful to be appointed to this prestigious and responsible post. I pledge to our school, teachers, and my fellow students to follow the school rules and regulations, to obey all our teachers, and to ensure that all students do the same. To use my position only for the welfare of school, teachers, and students. To support and help each other in the performance of school duties. To be present at all school functions. And to ensure the smooth conduct of these. Finally, I dedicate my efforts towards upholding the sanctity and dignity of my school and the house I represent here. All the best, students.
Our new leaders, the head girl and the head boy, are proud Vidyanians today, inheritors of a cherished legacy and ready to carry the torch forward. Let us invite Dhwani Kaire and Dhruv Desai to share their views and ideas plans for this year.
Greetings everyone. It is indeed an honor and privilege to be here addressing all of you as the head girl of Navrajna Vidyani Vidyalaya this year. Firstly, we would like to thank our principal, Dr. Archana Mishra, our enthusiastic panel of coordinators, and our treasured teachers for giving us this precious opportunity to head the Student Council 2021-22.
Our school is known for providing quality education in every field and aiming at a holistic development of its students by bringing out their latent talents. Vidyani has never left a stone unturned when it comes to its students. Even during the rough, unprecedented times of the pandemic, our school has never failed to deliver.
As it is said, coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is a success. That was the true essence of our previous council. Watching them work was truly inspiring. They overcame every hindrance in their path of making the first ever online academic year a success. Every event organized by them was a class apart. Their teamwork and dedication have instilled the spirit of being a Vidyanian in each and every one of us. We hope to carry on their legacy and try to maintain the standards they have established.
Our agenda this year is to establish clubs and to give back to our community. We would try to organize as many interactive and informative sessions as possible. We would also like to touch upon various topics that are of great relevance during these trying times. We hope to uphold our school's mission statement to empower our students to be compassionate, responsive to our culture and heritage, and academically holistic persons.
In conclusion, I would just like to mention the strength and resilience which is shown by our students to achieve a better learning experience in their school life. I assure you that we, as the members of the Student Council, would surely help the student body in whatever way possible, and hence strive for a happier and a successful school year together. Thank you.
Gentleness and firmness are a winning combination. A true leader rises to this definition. We at Vidyani are fortunate to have as our principal Dr. Archana Mishra. A true woman of substance, she has always been leading from the front, setting an example for all to admire and to adopt. On this occasion, she is the right person in the right place at the right time to bless our council members and to give them valuable pointers for success. I invite her to speak a few words. Over to you, ma'am.
Congratulations to the Student Council 2021-22. Children, you have assumed office today, and I am so elated, and I am sure you are too. You have been through a rigorous process of selection. You have faced the interviews, you have been through the group discussions, and students have voted for you. So now you have a great responsibility on your shoulders, and this responsibility I am sure you will fulfill with all your might. As your principal, I would want to suggest few things, give you 7 pointers for you to remember while you are in this position so that things become easier and you are able to handle your responsibilities with care. So the first thing, children, lead by example. What you want others to do, you must do first. It is necessary that you have it in you to be able to set an example for all others to follow. Only then you will be called a good leader.
Second thing, empathy is priority. Only if you can understand other people, you will be able to be good leaders. Remember, every good leader, and especially when they are student leaders like you, should understand what the other students have in mind and what they want and what they feel. So that is the second. The third is humility. Humility, children, is a prerequisite. If a leader is humble, people will listen to the leader. it is very important that you at all times are humble with your schoolmates, with your teacher and with everybody else. Treat everybody with respect and humility. Then the most important, teamwork. Teamwork, children, is the key. If you can have good collaboration while working on something, especially something like being leaders of a student council, being the representatives of such a big school, you need to work together in tandem with each other. And for that, a lot of patience, a lot of perseverance, a lot of understanding and a lot of tolerance is required. Then the next thing is think and act. Never react to a situation immediately. First, hear, listen, understand, think, analyze and then take action. Because when you come across different situations in your position, then you will understand, you will know that there will be a lot of influential situations that you might want to react immediately. Please don't do that. Every time it is always necessary to sit, think and then act. Then appreciate good work. If your fellow mates, if your school children, if our helpers, anybody is helping you or doing some good work, please appreciate. If you can appreciate at the right moment, don't wait for it. And appreciation is always encouraging. It motivates others to go ahead. So a good leader will always appreciate good work. Then listen to your conscience. The most important, I believe, if you trust your own conscience, and conscience never will tell you to do the wrong thing. So if you are you could be biased by external factors. You could be influenced by the wrong opinions or advice of others. But when your conscience says, it will always guide you to the right direction. So listen to your conscience before doing or saying anything. And I am sure these 7 pointers, if you remember, will keep you in good stead and you will be popular and you will be able to do what you want to do. As leaders and children, this is a huge experience that you get in school and this will go a long way in your growth and your progress even after you leave school. So we are giving you a huge responsibility and we trust you with all our might. And we are very proud that we have such a strong student council. We are very proud of every Vidyanian. We are very proud of all the people who have selected you and all the people who have been selected. So congratulations children, all the best. Congratulations to all the parents because it is your upbringing that has brought these children to the fore and that is why we are here as school student council leaders. Congratulations, God bless you children. Thank you.
Every Vidyanian's heart beats faster on hearing the school song, for it reminds us of the common thread that binds us together and keeps us going through thick and thin. Let's end today's function with those familiar yet inspiring words again. I request all present here to stand for the school song.
Sharadani Aradhanama Ujjwal Jyot Jalaviye Amit Sarjan Kariye Jivan Gathan mein atal ho safal har ek pal Chetna naveen ho har koi praveen ho Karma ke sanket par satya path prayaan ho Manzilon ke geet ho prerna sangeet ho साधना रहे नव्य भावना रहे हमारा ध्वज तना रहे The temple of learning, the world of our dreams Vidyani, we are the future heading for success we
With that, we end today's solemn and significant ceremony. With heart within and God overhead, we wish you all good day. Thank you.